Sophie has 60 pencils. The ratio of sharpened pencils to blunt pencils is 4:1. How many sharpened pencils does Sophie have? So we've got sharpened to blunt, and it's 4:1. So I'm going to have my boxes here, and there's going to be 4 of exactly the same size box. And it's 4:1, so I need 1 of exactly the same size below. And I know that she's got 60 altogether. So just for visual purposes, I'm now going to get all the boxes in a row, and you can see what's happening. So I know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes altogether. I know that the total is 60. 60 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because they're all equal boxes. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So that means in each box there was 12. So I've got 12, 24, 36, 48 for sharpened. And I've got just 12 for blunt. So the answer, how many sharpened pencils does she have? It's 48.